Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be doing a really fun makeup tutorial for you guys. As you can see, I already have makeup on. This is just the same black smoky eye that I showed you guys in one of my previous videos. And I figured to save some time on this video today, I would have this ready. You want to know why? Today I am going to be showing you guys my festival themed makeup. I know that sounds sad, and just like WeFest and all of the festivals like that are coming up soon. So I really wanted to get a video out there for you guys just to like be able to play around with some fun makeup. I think it's so fun to be able to just like create a wild makeup look for festivals like this, and it's definitely worth it to go all out because like honestly, when can you do makeup like this? But yeah, I'm just really excited to be sharing you guys my ideas today, and let's get started. So today I am using the James Charles Artistry palette. I figured this just has a lot of good vibrant colors in it for me to work with. Yeah, I'm stoked, guys. Who else is this excited? I'm gonna be using mostly just like really fun color for shades. I know like a lot of people do that like V right here. So I think I'm gonna be doing that. I'm feeling pinks. Who else? Yeah, okay, I'm gonna do pink. I'm gonna dive in with the shade Skip, which is this a vibrant pink. I'm going in with my 35E brush. And I'm just starting to blend this out. So I'm gonna start by like making this V, if you can see that. So after I made like the more pigmented line, I'm just lightly bringing this out. I look really weird right now, but we're gonna go with it. And I'm kind of like bringing this into my hairline too, just to like really blend it out. I am gonna go in with another shade. I'm gonna go in with like a more purple. It is the shade Love That, right there. And I'm just kind of like gonna darken it up in the middle of the V, and then just kind of like work it out. And then have more of the lighter pink be more at the ends of the V. I'm going to go in with that lighter pink shade initially that we use and put some more and just really blend it. And I'm also just blending out these edges just to make sure it all looks good. I am going to go in with my 20F foundation brush with the shade Sister. It is this shade right here. It is basically just a nice pink highlight. And I'm just going to highlight this whole thing and basically just put it all over. I do want this to be very glowy, especially like right here, how that's already like glowing. Okay, so next I am gonna take my Wet n Wild Mega Liner eyeliner, and I am gonna draw just some like tribal lines on my face. So first, I'm putting 2 lines on my nose. So I'm going to put them like right here and right here. Just 2 little lines. And then I am going to be putting like dots above my eyebrows. You could also do this with white eyeliner. or just like a white paint. Next, I am just going to draw a line straight down like the middle of my forehead. Going back in with my foundation brush, I am going to go back in with that shade Love That and just give it a little darker of color. But I'm also being careful not to go over where we just put eyeliner. And then I'm going to go back in with the shade Skip 2 just to blend it out. I'm going to go back in with the shade Sister, which is that highlight shade, and then just give it a little bit more shine again. Okay, you guys, so that is actually the finished look for this festival themed makeup. I definitely love the way it turned out. This is honestly just something super quick, super simple that you can do for an event like this. All I did was do a black smoky eye. You can check that video out. I will have it linked below for you guys. And everything else is just super quick, super simple. And I'll give you a montage.
Our minds are far apart, but we don't need to talk. S-I-L-E-N-T, we don't need our words to speak. S-I-L-E-N-T, let your body set you free.
Okay, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this mini makeup tutorial on this fun festival look. If you did, make sure to like this video, comment below, and subscribe, and hit that notification button. I do post every Wednesday and Sunday. And I hope to see you guys in the next video.